What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that I think is going to be a massive trend in the coming years. Green coins, the eco-friendly cryptocurrencies that are leading a revolution in how we think about blockchain and sustainability. If you're all about stacking those gains while also being mindful of your environmental footprint, then this is the video for you. We all know crypto has been getting some serious heat because of its environmental impact. I mean, every other day, there's another headline about Bitcoin mining consuming as much energy as a small country. But here's the thing. The space is evolving, and there's a growing movement towards greener, more sustainable crypto solutions. In today's video, we're going to dive into why this matters, which green crypto projects are worth keeping an eye on, and how you can position yourself early in this eco-friendly revolution. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll be dropping some key strategies for how to profit from this trend while helping the planet at the same time. Let's get into it. All right, before we talk solutions, let's get real about the problem. Bitcoin, the granddaddy of crypto, uses proof of work, POW, which is an incredibly energy-hungry process. To give you an idea of scale, we're talking about a network that, at its peak, was consuming over 120 terawatt-hours per year, basically the same energy usage as entire countries like Argentina. And while Ethereum has made the transition to proof of stake, POS, with the merge, slashing its energy consumption by over 99%, the debate about crypto's environmental impact isn't going away anytime soon. Why? Because as blockchain adoption grows, so does its energy footprint, unless we find better, greener ways to power it. That's where green coins come into the picture. These projects are designed from the ground up with sustainability in mind, using innovative consensus algorithms, eco-friendly initiatives, and even partnerships with green tech companies to offset or eliminate their carbon footprint. But this isn't just about feel-good environmentalism. The shift toward greener crypto also opens up massive opportunities for investors who get in early. Think about it, just as ESG, environmental, social, and governance. Investing is booming in traditional markets. The crypto space is starting to see similar trends. People want to support projects that align with their values, and with institutional investors also focusing more on sustainability, the demand for green coins is likely to explode. Let's take a closer look at how green coins are making this possible. The first major innovation is in consensus algorithms. Traditional proof of work is energy-intensive because it requires massive computational power to solve cryptographic puzzles. On the other hand, many green coins are using alternatives like proof of stake, proof of space, and even more niche concepts like proof of storage or proof of time. Are you looking to secure your cryptocurrency investments? Meet Ledger, the ultimate solution for protecting your digital assets. Ledger offers top-tier hardware wallets designed to keep your crypto safe from online threats. With products like the Ledger Nano S Plus, Nano X, and the new Ledger Stacks, you can store your private keys offline, ensuring they are out of reach from hackers. Unlike hot wallets, which are connected to the internet and susceptible to hacks, Ledger hardware wallets provide cold storage, keeping your private keys offline. This makes them immune to online attacks. Paired with the Ledger Live app, managing your crypto has never been easier. Buy, exchange, and grow your assets all in one secure place. The app supports over 5,000 coins and tokens, making it versatile for any crypto enthusiast. Whether you're just starting with crypto or are a seasoned investor, Ledger has a device for you. The Ledger Nano S Plus is perfect for beginners, while the Nano X offers Bluetooth connectivity for on-the-go use. For the ultimate in security and customization, check out the Ledger Stacks with its advanced e-ink touchscreen. Ready to take control of your crypto security? Click the link in the description to get your Ledger hardware wallet today and join the millions of users who trust Ledger for their digital asset protection. For example, Chia is leading the charge with proof of space and time. Instead of mining with GPUs or ASICs, Chia uses unused storage space, like hard drives, to validate transactions. The result? A network that's orders of magnitude more energy efficient while still maintaining a high level of security and decentralization. Another key player is Nano. Nano uses a unique block lattice structure where every user has their own blockchain. This means transactions are almost instant, with near zero energy consumption. And because it's feeless, Nano is positioning itself as a highly scalable green alternative for day-to-day transactions. And then there's Algorand, which is designed from the start to be eco-friendly. Algorand uses a pure proof-of-stake model, which is not only energy efficient, but has also allowed them to become carbon negative. How? They've set up partnerships with organizations that actively offset the carbon footprint of their blockchain activities, and they're constantly innovating to reduce emissions further. But it's not just about consensus mechanisms. Some projects are integrating green initiatives directly into their ecosystems. We're seeing platforms where transaction fees are used to fund reforestation efforts or carbon offset projects. There are even DeFi platforms emerging where staking or liquidity provision directly contributes to green causes. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes this space so exciting. Now let's get specific. Which green crypto projects should be on your radar? Here are some you definitely want to keep an eye on. Chia XCH. As mentioned earlier, Chia is probably the most well-known green coin right now. Its proof of space and time consensus model is not just a green alternative, but a scalable one. And because it's the brainchild of Bram Cohen, the creator of BitTorrent, the project has serious credibility. There's been a lot of buzz about Chia's potential in enterprise adoption and even in decentralized storage solutions. Nano. Nano has been around for a while and has a strong community backing it. With zero fees, near instant transactions, and almost no energy consumption, Nano is positioning itself as an ideal crypto for microtransactions and daily use. It's already got some real-world adoption happening, especially in regions where banking infrastructure is limited. Algorand Algo. If you're into DeFi but want to stay green, Algorand is one to watch. Its pure proof-of-stake model is super energy efficient, and they've got a rapidly growing ecosystem of dApps, NFTs, and DeFi projects. Algorand's partnerships with environmental organizations are legit, and they've made it clear that sustainability is a core part of their mission. SolarCoin SLR. This is a unique project that rewards solar energy producers with coins for every megawatt hour of solar electricity they generate. The idea is to create a decentralized incentive for producing clean energy. While it's still early days for SolarCoin, the concept aligns perfectly with the growing trend of tokenizing real-world environmental efforts. Power Ledger is more than just a crypto. It's a platform designed for peer-to-peer energy trading using blockchain technology. It allows consumers to buy and sell renewable energy directly with one another, cutting out the middleman. The platform is already operational in several pilot programs worldwide and is seeing increasing adoption. Now, let's talk strategy. How can you profit from this growing trend while aligning your portfolio with eco-friendly projects? First, it's important to understand that many of these green coins are still in their early stages, which means two things: high risk and high reward. If you're looking for the next 10x or 100x, getting in early on a solid green project could be your ticket. But, as always, do your own research, DYOR. Check out the project's white papers, the team behind it, and the roadmap. Are they genuinely committed to sustainability, or is it just marketing fluff? Another angle is staking. A lot of these green coins offer staking rewards, which means you can earn passive income while holding your coins. For example, Algorand staking rewards are relatively straightforward to set up, and you're contributing to a carbon-negative blockchain while earning yield. Win-win, right? Then there's the NFT angle. Yep, NFTs are going green too. Platforms like Algorand and Tezos are focusing on eco-friendly NFT minting, and that could open up new opportunities in digital art, gaming, and beyond, without the environmental downsides we've seen on Ethereum-based platforms. Finally, don't forget about the long-term potential for institutional adoption. As ESG criteria become more important in investment decisions, funds and institutions are going to start looking for greener crypto options. This could drive significant capital into green projects, pushing up prices over time. Now, I know some of you are probably skeptical. Is this just a fad? Are green coins really going to catch on? Or are they just another niche in an already crowded market? It's a fair question, but here's what I think. Sustainability isn't going away. The world is shifting toward greener practices in every industry, and crypto is no exception. The key here is that these projects aren't just paying lip service to being green. They're integrating sustainability into their very infrastructure. That's a huge difference. And as regulations tighten and consumer demand for eco-friendly solutions increases, the market is likely to reward those who prioritize the environment. We've already seen it happen in other sectors. Crypto is just next in line. The future? I see a world where green coins play a significant role in mainstream adoption. Imagine a future where people choose their crypto not just based on fees or speed, but also on how eco-friendly it is. As decentralized finance, DeFi grows and more people come into the space, green projects have the potential to carve out a major niche. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of green coins, the eco-friendly cryptos leading a revolution in sustainability. Whether you're in it for the gains, the green initiatives, or both, this is a trend you don't want to ignore. As blockchain continues to evolve, those who position themselves early in this space could not only profit, but also contribute to something bigger, reshaping the future of finance in a way that's both innovative and responsible. If you found this video valuable, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop a comment below and let me know which green crypto projects you're bullish on. Are you stacking Chia, holding Nano, or are you still exploring? And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because we've got more deep dives, crypto news, and analysis coming your way. Until next time, stay ahead, stay green, and keep stacking those gains. Peace. If you haven't already done so, visit our website. You will find the link in the description.